Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. And of course, if you're Imperial TV, as you're seeing here, this is Imperial TV. You can see the remote. If your TV is not connecting to the internet, meaning for whatever reason, maybe it is shown that it's connected to the network, but of course it is not browsing. All right, so how to solve this issue is that in most cases, make sure that your internet connection is actually active. I suggest that you try switching, if that's an option, to switch to another network to see if, of course, you're able to browse. You can use your phone as a mobile hotspot to test it out to see if you're able to browse. If in both cases you have internet on both active connections and it's unable to browse, it would then mean that the problem would be in the settings of your TV. In my experience, you'll go to settings, and of course this one, you can try this even before you try another internet connection, but depending on your setup or your situation. All right, so most times it's this that's causing the problem, and that's the time. As you see it up there, the time, if it's wrong, it can cause issues. And wrong in terms of it's not the online synchronized time of the time servers, it will give issues. All right, so you want to go to settings. All right, and of course once you're in settings, you want to go down to I think it's system. You want to go over to your date and time. All right, so once you're in the date and time, maybe you have set your time manually so that it doesn't it's not incorrect. So for example, let's say you notice once I go down, it skips over time and date. In order to be able to modify time and date, you need to come here. Oops, sorry. In order to modify time and date, you need to come here and turn this off. Maybe you have already done it, and of course, because you have set it manually, it's not browsing. So if it's off, which is adjust automatic time, make sure you go back in here and set it to use automatic date and time. All right, another thing to watch out for is to make sure that you're in the correct set time zone. So go into time zone and make sure that it's the closest time zone to your time zone, the right time, so that the right time will be displayed. If for whatever reason you're not using the right time server or using automatic time, in most cases it can cause the device not to browse, which gonna cause a bug of issues. So do make sure that you check that, and of course you should be able to browse again. You can also restart your device, which is the TV, and try to browse again. All right, so I'm gonna end this tutorial here. As always, Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips. Until next time, bye.